my soul. So excuse me if I seem a little giddy or maybe even strange, but praise is the way I say things. Sometimes I just get so bubbly on the inside, I just want to holler it out. Come on. There's a praise on the inside that I can't keep to myself. A holler stirring up from the depths of my soul. So excuse me if I seem a little giddy or maybe strange. Hallelujah. Praise is the way I say things. Now
come on, minister.
Let it ring for the sound of your heart. All ye lands, make some noise. Listen. The songs of David live forever. Oh yes. Why? Because praise is the way I say things. See, we gotta get to the point where we realize praise is the way we say things.
Come on.
The inside, put your hands together. I can't keep to myself. Oh, you ain't praising him until it came from the depths of my soul. So excuse me, I say maybe strange, but praise is the break. You need to try it on the inside. I can't keep it to myself. A holler stirring up from the depths of my soul. So excuse me, but you ain't seen nothing.
Yeah.